In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille emblem on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted directly to your front grille. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is remove this cover up along here. To do that, you'll find that you have several push clips that make their way all the way across. Along each corner, you will have one push clip that's different than all others. But the way to remove any of them is simply to remove the center to unlock it and then remove the outer portion as well. You can use a flat blade screwdriver, trim tool, whatever you have. Inspect each of your pieces of mounting hardware as you continue, replace them as necessary. Separate this, remove it from the vehicle. Now that we have the cover out of the way, let's have a look directly behind the emblem. You'll find that you have two small circular clips. To remove these, you can use a pick, and I also recommend using a magnet. Just flex the grille as needed, being extremely careful not to damage it. If you need to, you could also use a flat blade screwdriver. Okay, I've got one of my clips off of there. We'll remove that, give it a close inspection, and we'll set it aside. We will be reusing it. Do the same to the other one. There we are. There's that one. Now we can make our way to the outside of the emblem, take hold of that, and separate it from the plastic grille. There it is, friend. Looking along the backside, you will see that you have two locating tabs, and looking at the front of the grille, you can see you have two mounting holes. Align the emblem and slide it into place. Now we'll continue on with our circular clips and a 1/4 inch socket. I also have an extension on here. The reason being is because I want to take the convex side of this and put it right up against my socket. I'll press this clip directly onto the stud located in the back side of the grille. Press this on here. There's one. Press it in as far as possible. We'll just confirm that one's nice and tight and do the exact same thing to the other clip. Press that right on there. While you press the clip, you should also be pressing the emblem itself towards the clip. Now we'll hold onto the grille, take hold of the emblem, and try to give it a wiggle. We want to make sure that it's completely secured all the way around. Assuming that's good, the next thing we'll do is put on our plastic panel. We'll get our center plastic cover in place. Along where your hood latch is, you want to lift this up, and then you can put it underneath the grille area. Once you've done so, we'll continue on by gently pressing this down, but you want to pay attention along each side. You'll have a small area that will need to be flexed and then pressed underneath the fender of your vehicle. Once you've done that, you can press it down into place. After you've done each side, continue on with each of your push clips, keeping in mind that each corner does have a push clip that's different than all others. When putting in the push clips, you want to press the outer portion in and then lock it in with the center. Okay, friend, we've got the car back together. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.